Today I'm going to be making a video of this 42-inch Hampton Bay littleton made by SMC, 2014 model. It has bleached oak blades on the other side. I just have it on the white side right now. I think it looks better in this area. There's not much more information about the fan other than the blades are kind of cheapy and they're starting to sag a little bit. So let's get started. So we're going to start out with the light kit. I'm using a fluorescent light bulb in there. It's a CFL bulb. It's kind of hard to see the light kit. Sorry, the video isn't that great right now. It's very windy outside. This fan is mounted outside. I know it's not an outdoor fan. I just needed a place to put it before it dies. Okay, so the light kit is off now. Let's start out with the low speed. I am using a Hunter remote right now. I don't feel like using the pull chains all the time because it is on top of the table and I don't want to have to climb on top of the table. It does make a noise. It's actually just scraping against the motor housing a little bit because it wobbles. It just does it every once in a while. I can't really figure out how to fix it. I did tighten everything, and when it wobbles, I even tried a balancing kit and nothing would work. I bent the blades, nothing would work. So we just gotta deal with it for now. Okay, now let's go to medium speed. Tarp is moving badly from the wind. Sorry about that. So as you can hear, it is making a scraping noise. And the sound, it sounds more like bangs actually from a little wood sign that we have out here. It's not the fan. Okay, now we're going to move up to high. I'll turn on the light kit. Off. You can see it wobbling. It wobbles bad. It's not the worst I've ever seen on a littleton. I've seen a littleton running with only one blade on. Okay, that is high. Now we're going to do spin down. I do just like the way this fan looks. It looks like a very classic fan. And this I just put up here. There was originally nothing up here. It's already stopped. Yeah, I just wired it up with a junction box and I just used an extension cord to power it. It's not permanent. Okay, bye. Peace out.